I'm Melanie Roll. I'm a physiotherapist and I'm a director with a passion for training and education. We are so passionate about nurturing the next generation of allied health professionals. We begin our support journey right back with our local secondary school students who are offered places in our work experience program. During this week, the students are able to observe and participate in a broad range of services offered here at Genhealth. We also run a careers night each year where students and parents can learn about pathways into university and explore practical demonstrations of each allied health career. Once students have moved on to tertiary education, we then offer university placements. We've developed a very supportive 5-week program which steps the students week by week from observation to supervised practice and then seeing their own patients by the final weeks. During the students' final year of study, they can then apply for a place in the Genhealth Mentorship program, which provides a nurturing transition into working in private practice. From our mentorship program, we then offer new graduate positions. We have developed a very thorough 12-month new graduate program, which includes weekly professional development with senior practitioners, mentoring, and lots of hands-on learning experience. We've now had 7 employees come to us via this nurturing pathway and truly believe it is such a win-win situation for both the students who feel supported and the clinic who gain so much by giving back to these students.
So I recently completed the Genhealth Mentorship program, which is a program for final year physio or podiatry students. So I completed it as a physio student and it was really beneficial as a final year, figuring out sort of where to go, what to look for in new grad jobs, as well as also providing heaps of information on clinical topics. So we had monthly webinars which went over clinical topics, and then the next month was sort of things that you should learn in uni but they don't teach you, such as like how to interview for jobs, what to look for in new jobs, as well as like how to manage appointments and tricky patients and all of those sorts of things. So it was all really beneficial and helpful for getting a new grad job.
Our university students come from a range of different states and universities. So from South Australia, we work with Flinders University and University of South Australia. Here in Victoria, the Australian Catholic University in Ballarat, also La Trobe University through the Bendigo campus with physiotherapy and also podiatry programs, and then also Charles Sturt University in Albury-Wodonga.
Allied health is really important in rural settings. I feel like it's often forgotten and often people just think about medical or just going to the doctor or at the hospital seeing the nurses and everything. But I feel allied health is really important. Lots of people often don't understand that physios or podiatry can really help them to move better, function better, and that sometimes movement is lots more effective than just taking medications to help an injury. I was actually lucky enough to get a job at Genhealth this year as a new grad. I've started working as a physio, which has been really good.
The Genhealth Mentorship program was created to bridge the gap between university study and real-life private practice. So often we hear from uni students that they're not confident to start their careers in the private setting, as it has previously had a reputation of not being a supportive environment for a new graduate. Many of us can unfortunately vouch for this from our own career experiences, so we are so dedicated to ensuring that no one ever feels this way again. The mentorship program consists of a monthly webinar which is delivered online in an interactive setting. Students from across various universities and states tune in to learn together. We alternate between clinical topics such as best management of tendinopathies, practitioner skills such as how to best structure your appointments to run on time, and treatment map plans to create patient confidence in you as a practitioner. We also teach the students what to look for in a new graduate job and what employers are looking for in their interviews. When our mentorship students have uni holidays, they're also most welcome to come to Genhealth to complete observation. Many of our students also choose to complete full university placements with us to gain a more thorough experience. Our mentorship students provide us with great feedback at the end of each year, reporting that they feel much more confident that they can start as a graduate physio or podiatrist in a private practice. From a business perspective, it's so valuable to link in with these students, show them how rewarding a career in rural private practice can be, and ideally attract them to come and join our team.